Now, if teachers graded 220 essays, gave very targeted feedback to each one, handed it back to the students, let them edit it and fix things, and then turned it in a second time, we'd be grading nonstop. But what I have found most useful, and students have told me that they have found it useful, is this give feedback button. So it lets you upload your own rubric. So I uploaded my own DBQ rubric. And then you can add other targets as well. It lets you change what grade level you want it to look for. And then you just click Brisk AI and it will start to generate feedback. As long as I see that stop generating sign, I know it's still thinking. When it's all done, it will say rate feedback. And then it just goes over my rubric. So my rubric starts with a hook and a tie-in, then it goes to background, then it goes to thesis, topic sentence, evidence. And so it will hit most of those. Now, if teachers graded 220 essays, gave very targeted feedback to each one, handed it back to the students, let them edit it and fix things, and then turned it in a second time, we'd be grading nonstop. That would take so long. And this feedback is authentic, it's targeted to that particular student. They give actual suggestions on how they can make it better. So that took about a minute and a half to give feedback. And then what it allows you to do is it allows you to read, add the comments, decide whether or not you like the comment before students can see it. When I click this comment button, then it becomes live and students can actually see the comments. So it talks about they've done a good job citing evidence to support their claim. However, be sure to introduce your source. That's something we focus on, is introducing our evidence. The restatement of the question, background essay. So now this is all live to the student. And like I said, the students have really valued the feedback. So I get an email when they start to resolve these comments and change their essays. So the students are valuing the feedback. It's quick, it's authentic, it's timely, and it's getting used.